Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Audubon Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2019 Toyota Tundra TRD Off-Road. Now the most notable features on this TRD Off-Road is its custom front and back bumpers. You also have your power moonroof along with your heated front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2019 Toyota Tundra TRD Off-Road. Let's get started. So a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this 2019 Toyota Tundra TRD Off-Road is its custom front bumper as well as its customized front grille. And as you can see, you have the customized front hood as well. You have the light bar just located on the bumper along with your fog lamps, front tow hooks, and you also have the parking sensors on there. And over on the side you'll see the 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now as you can see with this TRD Off-Road, it has been very customized, so you'll see quite a bit of different features on here, which include your customized leather interior with the TRD Off-Road symbol actually just ingrained on the seats there. You do have your foldable mirrors and heated mirrors, and the color we're going to be taking a look at today is white. Now if we take a closer look just at the inside of the interior, it does have the power folding running boards. Along with that, as you can see, you also have the glow just located on the inside here and underneath where you'll find your pedals. And then taking a look just on the left hand side here, mirror controls as well as your automatic high beams, and then you also have your open and close for your power rear window, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now you also have the custom wrapped leather steering wheel as well. You'll have your seek function, volume control, voice recognition, mode select, Bluetooth connectivity. You also have your lane departure alert with your cruise control and scroll function. If you take a closer look just down below here, you'll find your parking sensors on and off with your traction control on and off, tow haul, and trailer brake. If we take a closer look, as you can see, it has racing development actually etched on the inside there. A couple of the options that you'll find on the inside here include your digital speedometer with your fuel range as well as your fuel economy. You'll be able to go through a couple of other additional features inside here as well. Audio controls as well as your lane departure alert, tire pressure monitoring, trailer brake, messages and settings menu with the lane departure alert, pre-collision system, as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, taking a closer look just at the center dash area, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So as you can see, you have your display with your digital clock, and then taking a look just down below here, as you can see, it's been customized right here where you actually have the white lettering on the inside here, where it's kind of a little bit more faded on your traditional models that haven't been fully customized. Now as you can see, the knobs have also been adjusted on here as well with your 4x4 select temperature control settings, and then you have your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger USB and auxiliary input, and then you also have the TRD style shift knob. Added to an automatic transmission. As you can see, you have your roof lights as well as the work lights, and then you have the rock lights just located down below here. Now, as you can see, it also has the lighting just located on the inside here as well. And even taking a look just on the side here as well, you can see it's also been adjusted accordingly, just to match everything else on the interior. Auto dimming rear view mirror, integrated garage door controls, open and closed and tilt up and down feature for the power moonroof with the sunglass case holder. And then if we take a closer look just at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Now, just like with the front bumper, as you can see with the back of the bumper here, you have the custom rear bumper as well. It also has the parking sensors located on the back here. Connectors for the towing will be located just underneath here, or in the center, I should say. And then taking a look on the back of the tailgate, you have the backup camera as well as the lock for it as well. Now, taking a look on the inside here, as you can see over on the left, right, front, and back side, you have a couple of areas where you can tie down some loose cargo, just so it's not shifting around in the back of your bed just while you're driving. And then you'll also have the hard tonneau cover on here as well. So if you're worried about any of your items actually getting hit by the elements in the back there, you don't have to worry about that with that hard tonneau cover, because it's going to keep everything nice and dry in there, which definitely comes in handy if you want to actually put more cargo back there as well. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.